Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to a PEIPEI update today, and I've actually shared one pattern on Discord, and this pattern has nearly 34%. It's actually a 34% setup. So if you want to get this coin, as I told you before, that I will be sharing trade ideas on Discord. So if you want to be a part of Discord, check the comment section for the link to join Discord. Click on that link and come on trade ideas, and you're going to see this setup for absolutely free. And the thing is that PEIPEI is also doing quite amazing, and we are still struggling to get above the 55 EMA, but it does look like the 10 and the 20 are making a nice good crossover at the moment. So soon enough, what I do expect is this: you're going to have the 55 coming down, and then the 10 and the 20 coming up here, and you will have a squeeze up until 9th of August. So it might take a little bit of consolidation for the next 2 days. It's not a guarantee, but yes, even if today you try to get above 55, that can actually happen. So all I'm saying is the maximum time we're going to see is up until 9th of August, because that's when you're having the touch or the squeeze coming between these two, or the apex. Now, the next one is, if I go into the 1 hour time frame and I show you the 1 hour time frame right now, I do notice that a lot of meme coins are making inverse head and shoulders, and some nice good different trade setups are being developed. Now, if I do end up showing you one more thing, is that there's a little bit of resistance that you're going to find right over here, and I think it's something like this, right? So we could be on the verge of looking at PEIPEI creating this right shoulder, and eventually, as I told you, there's a squeeze coming in until 9th of 9th of August. So in the next 2 days, you keep moving sideways like this until eventually you don't break and start to push all the way back to the upside. But I do believe that at some point you're looking for 2523 as your next technical target. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.